is me on top of one of the most beautiful tourist attractions in Bohol, Philippines, the famous Chocolate Hills of Bohol. At sigurado akong nagtataka kayo kung paano ako napunta dito. This is because 99.9% ng mga turistang bumibisita sa Bohol ay nagtutour package. Para makita ang Chocolate Hills ay dinadala ang mga turista either sa viewing deck sa Bayan ng Carmen and the other one is the viewing deck at Sagbayan Peak. Sa mga lugar na binanggit ko na yan ay tatanawin mo lang sa malayo ang mga Chocolate Hills. Believe it or not, even the locals of Bohol, majority ay hindi rin pa nakaakyat sa isa sa mga Chocolate Hills na ito. In this video, if you have plans to visit Bohol at gusto mo ring makaakyat sa iconic na Chocolate Hills na ito, tara, samahan mo ako ngayon sa adventure natin. I will give you the full guide so you will not get lost gaya ng nangyari sa akin. As much as possible, I'll try my best to give you the entire video with no cuts. Raw footage of my entire hike until I reach to the top of the hill. Let's go! Away from our accommodation in Panglao Island, Bohol, we need to travel at least an hour para marating natin ang Bayan ng Carmen kung saan makikita ang mga naggagandahang Chocolate Hills. Guys, ito ang hahanapin nyo sa Google Map. Ticopet Chocolate Hill Viewpoint. And like what I said earlier, hindi mo ito mararating kung naka-tour package ka dahil hindi ito kasama sa mga itineraries ng mga tour agencies. Literal na off the beaten path itong Chocolate Hill na aakyatin natin. But of course, guys, going alone to this place has its own risk. Much better magdala ka ng local tour guide para mas maging safe at smooth ang iyong bakasyon dito sa Bohol. The entry point of most of the vehicles going to Ticopet Chocolate Hill Viewpoint is here at the Loway Interior Road. You have to turn right to yet another interior road called Monte Hermoso. At ito ang nakita kong problema. The Ticopet Chocolate Hill Viewpoint is not exactly pinned at the Google Map. As you can see in this drone shot, the final stop in the map is here. At yan ang dahilan kung bakit ako nawala.
Diyan yung kalsada, guys. Ito yung isa sa mga Bohol dito sa Carmen o yung part siya ng tinatawag na Chocolate Hills. Hindi ko lang alam ngayon kung saan yung daanan papunta dyan. Dapat may mapagtanungan tayo dito.
Luckily, I was able to ask an old lady who lives in this house as to where exactly the way going up to the hill. No worries because ilang meters lang naman ang pagitan. Knowing the exact way is crucial dahil mahirap nga naman puntahan ang isang lugar kung hinuhulaan mo lang ang dadaanan mo.
So ayan guys, doon tayo banda Pumara. Pag ganun sana tayo, wala akong makitang daanan, no? So ito yung pinaka-marker dito, guys. May puno ng Gemelina. Tapos dito sa kaliwa ko may puno ng langka. Dito makikita nyo may kasada talaga. Daanan talaga ng tao. Actually, pwede nga palang pumasok yung motor, oh. Tapos makikita nyo dyan, bahay na yan. Ang bakod niya is yero. O isa din yan sa mga marker na pwede nyong tandaan. Pwede pang pumasok dito. Nakamotor.
Guys, alam nyo ba nung elementary days ko pa lang ay nakikita ko na itong Chocolate Hills sa mga libro. Ilan lang ito sa mga pinagmamalaking tourist attractions ng bansa natin. Fast forward today ay halos unti-unti ko nang naiikot lahat ng mga magagandang tanawin na meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas.
Para may makasama yata tayo. May pumara din na motor dun sa pinagparkingan natin ng motor. Pansin ko guys, yung lupa dito sa Carmen, dito sa Bohol, ang itim ng kulay ng lupa nila. Ibig sabihin nito, mataba yung lupa. So ito na yung paakyat natin guys.
There's a minimum of 1,260 chocolate hills and possibly over 1,776 spread over an area of more than 50 square kilometers. So napakalawak ng sakop ng mga chocolate hills na ito.
Mayroon talaga siyang daanan. Kaya ingat lang, medyo madulas. Kasi recently, umuulan-ulan na rin dito sa Bohol.
Sakop nito ang mga bayan ng Carmen na kung nasaan tayo ngayon, bayan ng Sagbayan at Batuan. Although there are also less concentration of chocolate hills in the town of Villar, Sierra Bullones, and Valencia. The National Committee on Geological Sciences declared the Chocolate Hills of Bohol a National Geological Monument on June 18, 1988. This added the Chocolate Hills to the country's protected areas na kailangan preserbahin at alagaan. Pero alam niyo ba nung panahon ni Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, pinirmahan niya ang Proclamation 468 declaring the land around or in between the Chocolate Hills as no longer part of the National Monument during the Sandugo celebration on July 17, 2002. Meaning that some of the tracts of land surrounding and within the famous tourist spot can now be developed by the provincial government and other private entities. O ha? Alam na! Alam nyo na! Hindi ko na kailangan i-elaborate pa. Being alienable and disposable lands, the Chocolate Hills are seen as quarrying assets and a source of income for small-scale miners as well as quarry materials for the province's construction projects.
Ingat ka lang, pag madulas ka, dito sa gilid, bangin na.
Isa ito sa mga naging dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng social unrest resulting in almost simultaneous civil uprising led by the New People's Army, generally described as Maoist guerrillas, establishing a new front known as the Chocolate Hills Command. At isa pang issue na tumatak sa maraming Pilipino ay noong March 2024 nang may isang private resort na itinayo sa mismong malapit sa paanan ng Chocolate Hills. Aba, malakas talagang kapit. Because of that, the Congress issued a subsequent 6-month suspension of 68 local officials including the incumbent Bohol Governor. Iyay, 6 months lang na suspension.
Yan o. Ingat lang, pag nadulas ka dyan, diretso ka pababa. Ganda na ng view dito ng ano guys oh. Ng Chocolate Hills.
At nung umupo si President Duterte, the Chocolate Hills was again declared a national park under Republic Act number 11038 or yung Expanded National Integrated Protected Area System Act of 2018, signed by no less than President Rodrigo Duterte in July 2018. O ha? Dahil dito, natigil pansamantala ang bigayan ng maleta.
Oh my God. Habang packet tayo ng packet, paganda yung view guys. Kita mo na lahat ng chocolate dito oh. Yes! Malapit na tayo. We're almost there. And finally, narating natin yung tuktok nito guys. Welcome guys sa totoong Chocolate Hills.
Well, if you need a hand to carry a load, I'm here to let you know you can put that on me. When that old hurricane is starting to blow, I've always got a home where you can come be. Oh, because I ain't afraid of a little weather. We can make it together. When I tell you that I got you, and I'm here. Rain, sleet, snow, whatever. You know who got you? Got you. Oh, your man got you. Got you. You know who got you? Got you. Oh, your man got you. Got you. Now when those dark nights keep getting longer, and knowing the dawn feels like it's never gonna come,